Few cars are capable of serving the gods of both comfort and sportiness as well as the 2023 BMW 3 Series sedan. This perennial favorite can be outfitted as a corner-carving sports sedan or a well-appointed entry luxury car or a combination of both. Its three available turbocharged powertrains deftly walk the line between power and polish. The entry-level 330i and plug-in hybrid 330e offer impressive performance with above-average fuel economy, while the turbocharged inline-6 in the top-dog M340i packs 382 of the biggest, strongest horses this side of the Bavarian Alps. The 3 Series doesn't have the style of the Alfa Romeo Giulia or the value-packed features list of the Genesis G70, but it's so well-rounded, athletic and engaging to drive that it stands at the very top of our segment rankings. BMW's quintessential sports sedan gets a tech-heavy makeover for 2023 that sees updated exterior styling and a dramatic new all-digital dashboard. Keen eyes will notice that this same monolithic display that stretches 2/3 of the 3 Series' dashboard is the same design as what you'll find in the brand's flagship 7 Series and electric X SUV. The wall of screens runs BMW's iDrive 8 interface and includes standard navigation, a voice assistant, and a 5G Wi-Fi hotspot. The 3 Series offers two smooth and potent gas-powered engines. The 330i features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder that makes 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque and acts like it has even more power than that. The M340i comes with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 and a 48-volt hybrid system. Total output is 382 ponies and 369 pound-feet. The 330e plug-in hybrid combines a turbo 2.0-liter engine with an electric motor that together generate 288 horses and 310 pound-feet. The plug-in powertrain offers a harmonious relationship between the gas and electric elements, and we like the extra boost function that provides a burst of power that feels like a small shot of nitrous. Each powertrain pairs with a telepathic and exceptionally smooth 8-speed automatic transmission and standard rear-wheel drive. You can power all 4 wheels for a price, but no amount of money will get you a manual gearbox. Buyers can choose between several suspension setups on the 3, the base arrangement, the Totter M Sport tuning, or the dynamic handling package with its adaptive dampers. The 4-cylinder Bimmer proved its worth by winning a comparison test against other sports sedans. We applauded its ability to transition from relaxed and refined to sharp and playful. The 330i also secured its spot at the top of its class by thwarting the gorgeous Alfa Romeo Giulia in a 2-car Camaro. Our long-term M340i further proves the nameplate's return to form with its ripping 6-cylinder and remarkable body control. Inside the 3 has a modern design complete with excellent materials and impressive build quality. Nothing feels cheap inside the 3 Series and its controls are well placed. The standard sport seats are well bolstered and supportive and they offer extensive adjustments so it's easy to get comfortable. The car's extra cost content includes a detailed head-up display, customizable ambient interior lighting, heated front and rear seats, remote start and wireless charging. The 3 Series has a big trunk with an available power-operated deck lid, with 17 cubic feet of cargo space. The gas-powered sedan can fit 6 carry-on suitcases back there and 17 total with the rear row folded. For comparison, the Mercedes-Benz C300 sedan held 1 fewer suitcase in both tests and the Alfa Romeo Giulia could fit 5 and 15 respectively. The 330e has less trunk space because of its battery pack and we haven't tested its carry-on capacity. There are significant changes to the interior. However, for starters, the 12.3-inch digital instrument panel and central touchscreen now share a singular curved housing running BMW's latest iDrive 8 software. The new software makes the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant smarter with improved natural language voice recognition and additional features, including the ability to open and close the windows or the sunroof through verbal commands. Finally, the central screen is upgraded to measure 14.9 inches, nearly double the size of the previously standard 8.8-inch screen, and once again offers touch functionality. The EPA estimates the 4-cylinder 330i will earn up to 26 mpg in the city and 36 mpg on the highway,